India has experienced tremendous growth over the years and is now among the leading players in several sectors. Power systems are critical to the growth of these industries, particularly rapidly growing domains like telecom, a space that demands power solutions of the highest quality to enable communication between 1 billion people across the nation. Power HF India Private Limited, a company headquartered at Delhi with central warehouse and office at Navi Mumbai, offers power systems and solutions to India's telecom sector. Power HF India, established in 2009, the company began with service of diesel generator sets and now offers a range of products and services: DG maintenance, gas engine, hybrid DG, AMF controllers, AMF panel, FTTX, tower and RF products, to mention a few.
Power HF has completed glorious presence in India 11 years. And during this period, Power HF has established its brand name in its customers network and dealers network and in the market of diesel generator sets. We are a professionally managed company, and our employees are our assets and we value them.
Power HF India has a pan-India service network with 22 offices, 90 workshops, 800 plus manpower network, and 133 plus service touchpoints, providing services to various multinational operators and tower companies in India. Power HF India offers both active and passive services, including turnkey execution of telecom sets, tower erection, FTTX, RF installation, fiber laying and commissioning, DG maintenance and related other services, and serve over 40,000 sites across India.
I am Sarvan Kumar Pathak, associated with this company since 2009, the day company was formed. Now I am looking after services. Since the day one, we were the service provider to all our customers, retail and plus telecom customers. Our main company which manufactures the DG set, that is basically in Weifang, China. Their capacity is to build the engine 1,25,000 per year and DG set 15,000. So our main company, they have sold the DG set to the telecom customer, and we have formed our company in 2009 to supply to take care of their maintenance and annual maintenance and services. We have diversified ourselves to do the different types of telecom work like tower installation, Wi-Fi, UBR. There are so many work we have taken over in this one, and we have trained our team to capture all over India, starting from Srinagar to Kanyakumari, and in east starting from Arunachal to up to Kutch. We have our presence in all over India. We have trained our team to provide the services in any weather condition, irrespective of cold, rainy, summer, or any natural calamities. We have geared up our service network in down the line in field so that they can provide the services at any calamity conditions. We have different rating of gensets our company is producing, starting from 10 kVA, 15 kVA, 20 kVA, 25 kVA, 30 kVA, 35, 40, up to 250 kVA.
Power HF India is backed by highly qualified and experienced professionals, a committed service network. Our clients in India include some of the biggest names in telecom.
Power HF India has been a part of Jio in providing services and products on time. It's an immense pleasure to make Power HF part of our company. We have been ordering panels, controllers, cables, etc. I must say, Power HF sales response is the best till now. They have been delivering products on time and with superior quality. Even in remote areas, we have never faced any issue in getting our products and services from Power HF India.
It gives me immense pleasure to be a part of the centenary celebrations of our parent company in China. Power HF India Limited started its journey way back in 2009 as a service provider for the DG set supplied by our parent company to Reliance Communications. This decade-long journey since 2009 has been one of many challenges, and we have seen many ups and downs in the telecom sector. However, with the dedicated support of my colleagues and our channel partners and the able leadership of our chairman and managing director Mr. David, we have successfully maintained the business of the DG services and also expanded in new avenues under telecom sector. Today, we provide varied kinds of services in the telecom sector. We are today recognized as one of the leading players in execution of turnkey projects for telecom segment, which includes installation and commissioning of entire sites, towers, infrastructures, laying of fiber, commissioning of fiber to the core, and so on and so forth. It has been a very rewarding journey. We have also coupled our service business with the state-of-art software technologies like SAP, workforce management, CRM, which enables our technicians to be more productive and brings in a lot of transparency for our operations. This gels very well with the customers who look at us as one of the most trusted partners in both services and project execution. We hope to scale newer heights under the astute leadership of Mr. David. I wish the company a great future and wish to see many major such milestones in the coming years.
We pledge to create innovative power solutions and are committed to delivering great products backed by world-class service infrastructure to ensure the Indian telecom space more than meets its growth and customer satisfaction objectives. Power HF India Private Limited.